Hi everyone, Liz here with another Amazon product review. I just wanted to share with you our foldable pool. This is the 63-inch size in the color blue. It is an excellent pool. I really love this way more than an inflatable pool. You do not have to inflate it, of course. It just pops right open, and it is so much more convenient than a hard plastic pool because it can fold up. As you can see, you just accordion fold it, pull the bottom liner up and over and tuck it in, and it is super compact, easy for storage, and we will be taking this with us to the beach. Really is an excellent little pool. It also has the drain plug at the bottom, which is great for draining the pool, and really durable material. Really love this. Hopefully this up close look has been helpful, and thanks so much for watching.